Hello, and welcome to my channel. Here I will try to teach you everything I know about Unity. In this video I will teach you how to create a button to change scenes in Unity. In this scene, we have a simple UI button called play, with a script attached to it. This is what we will replicate. Let's give it a little test. We press the button and there we see it. It changed perfectly. Now let's begin to make it ourselves. Let's create a new scene. That could be your menu scene. In our game objects, create a new canvas and a new UI button on it. Let's rename the text of the button to play. Let's change the properties of our canvas. Let's make sure the render mode is in screen space overlay. Now the UI scale mode. Put it in scale with screen size, and set the reference resolution that you will use in the creation of the game. Finally, set the screen match mode to expand. Now in this button let's create a new script, and call it change scenes. Now in our code, we will be using Unity Engine, .scene management. Let's make a public function, called change scenes. In there, we call scene manager.load scene, and we have to provide a scene index, or scene name. For that, let's go to File, Build Settings, and click in Add Open Scenes. Let's make the same with our main game scene. Now, we have the indexes of our scenes. Let's assign our function to the onClick event of our button. We can see that it works fine with the build index. Let's test it with the works perfectly. If you found this video helpful, consider to subscribe and like, so you help others to find it.